What's up everybody, I'm Ben with FallTech, and when you're working from heights, tool tethers, aka tool lanyards, are going to help prevent you from dropping your tools from way up high and hitting someone down below. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to attach the FallTech cold shrink sleeve to your tools to create a connection point for a tool tether. Now, the only reason to use cold shrink wrap is when a tool has no direct connection point, like this elbow buster here, and you have to attach a tool attachment to your tool to connect a tether. The shrink wrap is what holds the attachment to your tool. FallTech does supply tool tape specifically for securing attachments as well, and there's a ton of how-to videos showing you how to properly install attachments using tool tape. But let's get started with how to apply the FallTech cold shrink tool attachments. The way the cold shrink works is by removing the plastic tube or coil that is holding the pre-expanded black sleeve, and as we remove the coil, it releases the rubber sleeve to its original state. This is how the cold shrink sleeve secures the attachment to the tool. The FallTech cold shrink is available in 3 sizes for tools weighing up to 5, 10, and 15 pounds. Here you can see how each sleeve shrinks down to its original state and the diameter once it shrank down. But here's the important thing to remember with these attachments. For tools weighing over 5 pounds, you want to make sure you're using FallTech's larger choke-on loop attachment, and for smaller tools under 5 pounds, you can use the shorter choke-on attachments with a standard D-ring or swivel D-ring. Start by applying the choke-on loop tool attachment on the tool by wrapping it around the handle and through itself and pull the cord tight, and use the cinch lock to secure it in place. To prevent the attachment from twisting around the handle as you uncoil the tube, add a temporary piece of tape to hold the attachment in place on the handle. This is a nice trick that will make it a lot easier to uncoil the plastic tube. Next, we're going to slide the cold shrink tube over the handle and attachment, but before I do that, I like to remove some of the coil just to where the rubber sleeve begins, and make sure you pull the tail end through the tube as instructed by that handy little sticker. All right, now you can slide the tube onto the tool. While holding the tool and tube in one hand, pull the plastic tail end, unraveling it through the tube. And you can wrap the plastic around your hand as you uncoil the tube. It makes it a heck of a lot easier. And now you can remove that temporary piece of tape if you used it, and you're done. To remove the cold shrink sleeve, carefully use a cutting tool and discard it. To get updates on new FallTech videos, click the subscribe button and ring that bell. And be sure to check out FallTech's full line of dropped object prevention products at falltech.com. And I'll see you in the next one.